Welcome. Le Sucre is where we are in Cannes, where they hold the film festival. So here we are in what is our room, but this is the living quarters, which is huge. So the living quarters are here. So we've got two lovely chairs, and then we've got desk area and the TV. Come through here, and we've got bedroom number one, a double bed in here with a TV. And yet again, through here, we have another double bed with another TV as well.
Yeah, it did actually say two twins.
It said two twins, but it doesn't matter because it's beds. That's all that matters. We've got a shower unit, which is in here. There we go, with the overhead shower and the basin there. And then we've got a separate toilet, which is quite cool, because no one likes to be in the same room as doing your ablutions and stuff. And the piece de resistance, which is through here. I bumped into you then. Look at this. Your very own terrace. Look at this. Wow. Look at this terrace. Look at that view. Over there. Fantastic. Isn't that great? Isn't that brilliant? Just so good. That's the hotel over there. Now you can see on the side is Tuki, just over there. The pool is down there. And it's actually quite a nice temperature as well at the moment. But this is gorgeous. Fantastico. Short looking on this one. Got to thank Mum for this one. Because she's the one that does all the research.
I do all the booking of the properties.
All the hard work.
It's got outside, it's lovely, isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
We did pay a little bit extra for this one than we normally paid for the previous night.
Yeah.
It's not that much though.
No.
But it's worth it. It's
really good.
It's hard to find like our criteria of dog friendly plus parking. Well, the dog friendly is actually not so much problem. There's loads of dog friendly places. Sure, trying to speak.
It's ambulance.
But yeah, it's the parking. Some parking is not actually on site, or it's not in a secure place, which maybe not a big problem, but this is a nice secure
This
car.
is good. This is good.
Oh, it's a lovely backdrop there.
Oh, isn't it just? Look at that. You're going to get yourself a coffee.
Get yourself a rosé.
And while that sun sets, we're taking advantage of being on this beautiful terrace. Oh.
Lovely. I just wanted a glass of wine in the sun, but by the time we would have got down there, and after we'd had a little rest, the sun would have been setting, so we took the opportunity while we had it. So we're going to get a drink from the bar, a little wine, and we'll have a wander.
Chin chin. Oh. Oh,
Definitely a long drive.
Oops. So we're here in Cannes. Cannes.
I don't know what it is, but I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
Kansas. Anyway, so yeah, massive backdrop there, just over the background, looking stunning. This is obviously the Docklands, or what you know what I mean, docks, moorings, call it what you want. Casinos over in the top corner. Trying to find out which James Bond film was filmed in Cannes. I'll get back to you on that one, just one sec. GoldenEye, that was the one, just remembered it. I'm in my Google memory. So yeah, it was the car chasers on the outskirts of Cannes, that around there. Have you noticed the boats, by the way? Corkers, real nice corkers. So we're heading down towards the beach because Holly's going to be doing something rather special on the beach, which we'll show you actually, I think. There's a miniature muscle beach with a pumped iron.
Hi everyone. So we're just in a restaurant on the front of Cannes harbour front called Agnelli, I think it is. I'm just trying to practice it. Agnelli. We've got lovely wines, drinks, food. We've got all sorts of different things. And do you know what? They've even cooked a fresh chicken breast for teaser. We were looking at the menu and the guy came over and he's like, can I help? What you fancying? We're like, well, it's not just for us, it's the dog. He went, oh no, the dog's welcome, bring the dog in. And well, actually it's not that either. He needs some tea. But he was so kind, wasn't he? He was like, I can do the dog a chicken breast and cut it up. So he's just come out with a big bowl of fresh chicken breast all cooked, just nice and plain. He's had loads of it. He absolutely loved it. And a big drink of water. So, as I say, wherever Teaser's happy, we'll go. So we're in. So we've ordered pizzas, me and Holly, we're going to share a little bit of each. Ben's ordered a barbecue burger and Chris has ordered, what have you ordered?
Catch of the day, sea bream.
Oh, did you go for that in the end? Oh, catch of the day, sea bream. I wonder if I did that right. And so the guy's going to shred it all the fish up, so I'm sure this will do a little vlog of that. So absolutely gorgeous here, sat in the ritzy glitzy port of Cannes. So we'll have to come back when it's a film festival. You know, you just like want to be part of the action. It's absolutely lovely, really nice. So we shall wait for our food and I shall go and enjoy my rosé. Actually, check out Ben's Coca-Cola. It looks like ketchup and Coca-Cola in one bottle. Ben's two favourite items. Ben's favourite things. So make sure you pour on his burger. Why do you put it like it?
Absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to tuck into it, honestly. I've got this wonderful, I think there's Pernod that was over the top of it, it was flambéed, and then we've got the mashed potatoes, and we've got a mixture of vegetables with it. They've got their pizzas, he's got his blackened bun burger. It's just going to be stunning. Can't wait. I'm salivating at the moment. So all those French lessons finally paid off. when I walked into a beach bar that was just closing and said, "Où est la piscine?" No, sorry, no. Où est la toilette? That's the one.
Swimming pool. What the heck? You want to go in the swimming pool?
It's definitely what I was doing. Anyway, it's all paid off now, especially those toilets. So we're walking towards the Carlton Hotel, or Hotel Carlton, Cannes.
Again, because the first time we walked towards it, we forgot to vlog
We
it.
forgot to vlog it. So tell us, what's significant about this bit that we're actually walking on, Holly?
Elton John filmed a lot of I'm Still Standing There.
Yeah, especially this bit here.
Yes, this bit. Keep going ahead. Keep going ahead. He was doing
an
this.
Elton John.
Keep going. He was like, and did you think the soul can ever win? Look at me, I'm coming back again.
That's the one.
That bit.
And then Carlton's over here. And there he is. So that's the Carlton entrance as it is now. And let's split the screen. There we go, there he is walking up to the Carlton entrance.
Obviously it's under renovation right now until spring 2023.
But there it is behind us. How do you feel, Holly?
Very happy.
Yeah. Good morning, welcome to Cannes in the morning. This is the 3rd of November, I think it is. And we're just on our little walk with our local friendly neighbourhood teaser. And we're just about to cross the road, and across the park from here, there's a Christmas tree, which is lovely. Just made me smile. There you go. Let me just quickly look at the road. There we go. Look at this. Lovely. Wonderful Christmas tree. Fantastic stuff. See, it doesn't feel like Christmas. Yes, but there's a lovely Christmas tree here. The sun is rising just over the back there, and it's just really nice just to be walking around the streets at silly o'clock in the morning. But it's really nice. It's just really, yeah, it's just really nice. That's all I can keep saying. Or lovely. Can't go into the park, unfortunately, because there's no dogs. Pollution, they've called it. Very funny. Very funny. So let's walk down here a little bit. See if he wants to do something around here. I'll speak to you in a bit.